Insane DogeCoin millionaires and their crazy lives. Elon Musk and his bullish mentality on Dogecoin at the start of this year helped make the entire planet aware of the world of crypto and the shady world of meme coins. Often considered the Wild West of crypto and largely treated as a joke, it's hard to ignore the fact that the insane levels of growth that Dogecoin saw helped create a number of millionaires that saw unbelievable booms in their otherwise worthless holdings. Great to see you once again at No Cap Crypto. Today, we'll be taking a very close look at some of the craziest and youngest cryptocurrency millionaires that saw huge returns due to the unexpected boom of Dogecoin. Pay close attention and make sure you stick around till the end because we've left the craziest for last. Dogecoin has been around for a while. In fact, the blockchain currency has been around almost as long as Bitcoin. A direct fork of the original Bitcoin project, Dogecoin was actually created as a joke. The original developers trying to make fun of the mathematical and logical flaws with Bitcoin and many other crypto projects at that time. This led to the birth of one of the earliest and truly hilarious meme currencies. Since recently, Dogecoin has been unbelievably silent, seeing next to no levels of growth or transactional volume whatsoever. The project was largely ignored and widely considered dead, although it's hard to ignore the fact that there exists a number of bullish investors and holders that have maintained the otherwise worthless asset in their crypto portfolios for quite a while. Some call them degenerate traders that determine investment opportunities according to the funny pictures of dogs, whereas others consider them highly skilled and intelligent financial analysts. One thing is for certain, they're the youngest Dogecoin millionaires that live unbelievably crazy lives. Number 3. Living with Lucci. A reasonably well-known cryptocurrency YouTuber and influencer that has been religiously documenting her crypto journey online for her many fans. The vast majority of her content used to be nutrition and health related until recently. Lucci recognized the golden opportunities that existed across the world of crypto and her channel radically switched direction. Her immediate buys involved a whopping $65,000 buy into Dogecoin on the 3rd of February 2021. That amounted to an insane 2 million Dogecoins that she bought for a mere $0.024, with another 700,000 Dogecoins in a cold wallet, a fully offline wallet with no chance of it being stolen online. Lucci held her insane Dogecoin holdings for an incredible 2 months. Diamond hands is the wording used to describe these kinds of investors. Lucci was someone that absolutely refused to sell, but when she did sell, announcing on the 16th of April that she was officially a millionaire, the coin actually hit a 46 cents per token valuation on that date. This put her stash of 2.7 million Dogecoins at a whopping $1.2 million. Number 2. The DogeCoin Millionaire. Going by many names but really breaking out onto the crypto scene as the DogeCoin Millionaire, this Reddit user posted his insane Dogecoin heavy portfolio onto Reddit and has since created a public persona and spawned a reasonably bullish fan base around him and his investment strategy. February 5th, 2021 was when the Dogecoin millionaire opted to outline his insane tactic of buying out 5 million Dogecoin and not selling for an entire year. Buying in at 4 cents per coin puts his initial investment at a sizable $200,000. Fully draining his bank account, selling all his stocks and maxing out 2 credit cards, the Dogecoin millionaire was as bullish as an investor can be. Many people called him crazy and absolutely insane. Well, it certainly seemed that way. Even since becoming a certifiable multi-millionaire, the Dogecoin millionaire still lives an extremely humble and simple life, paying rent, bills, and his car. This crazy investor never spent any more than he needs to and was constantly looking to maximize his earnings, throwing all his savings entirely into stocks. Getting in early on both Tesla and Uber before they really boomed, although he ultimately doubled his money through stock trading over 3 years, the Dogecoin millionaire knew that crypto had some considerably larger gains in store for him, and he was clearly right about that. But before we get into the absolutely wackiest and craziest Dogecoin millionaire, we need to ask, hey, are you liking the video so far? If so, I have good news. Make sure you like and subscribe to No Cap Crypto because we release videos like this every week. Also, comment below and let us know what you think the next big meme coin is going to be, and make sure to stay to the end to not miss anything important. Number 1. The Jewish Lad. Considerably less known and a lot more mysterious than the other DogeCoin millionaire investors, this mysterious Redditor posted his whopping 23 million DogeCoin holdings online. Honestly, it's hard to imagine that even Elon Musk himself would have helped this large an amount in Doge. The craziest thing about this diamond hand meme investor's holdings? He bought in at a mere $0.002 token price, considerably lower than any other investor that we've heard of. Is the Jewish Lad insanely lucky or have an insane understanding of the meme coin marketplace? He actually bought into Dogecoin in January 2020, a full year before Dogecoin actually exploded. How could he possibly have known that Elon Musk would be tweeting and shilling Dogecoin in public a year later? That initial investment amounted to around $45,000 in total. Honestly, a ridiculous amount to throw into an unknown and relatively dead asset, but selling those holdings today, the Jewish Lad would see a whopping $8.7 million returned. However, he ultimately sold at 7 cents a coin. That's a $1.6 million sale, which is still a sizable return on his initial investment. The crazy thing about the Jewish Lad? He's only 19 years old. That's right. This crazy 19-year-old invested his entire life savings into this random meme and saw the sort of earnings that most people won't see in their entire life. It's clear to see from our list of DogeCoin millionaires that they are insanely bullish on their holdings. Concepts such as holdings and diamond hands are prevalent among crypto investors. They understand that sometimes you need to tune out all the negativity and market indicators and just carry on holding onto their investments, no matter how bad they might be. Honestly, buying and holding Dogecoin just seems like a crazy idea. Buying in January 2021 is just ludicrous. It seems as though the millionaires on this list spent all their luck on a single quality crypto trade. That being said, it just goes to show that holding on to nearly worthless crypto assets can potentially turn around and leave you as a multi-millionaire. Let us know what you think about the crazy lives these insane Dogecoin millionaires lead in the comments below. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor and that this video exists purely for educational purposes. Please do your own research and make your own intelligent financial decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video, and I'll see you in the next one.